So Steve, you've gotten two aprons all the way put together, huh? Let's take these here out. I'll pass this to you. And I'll pass this one here to you. And I'll pass this one here to you, Ryan. Can you hold that one? So if we take a look, Steve has gotten both of his legs put together with his aprons. And I see here, top right, top left, bottom left, so everything matches up really nice. That's looking mighty fine. And when we go to put this together, we always, hold this for me right here, Steve. We always put these things together. Can I see it, please? We always put these together dry first, just to make sure everything looks good. Put this over here. And who has that other? You know what, can I have one of those yellow mallets too, please? Oh yeah, that's good. So T, I don't see an O on this one. Do you know which side? Oh, never mind. I see a pretty side.
It's very obvious.
Yeah, it was very obvious. All right, so we're gonna take this here and lightly put it down. Perfect. This one's down a smidgen. So, tell you what, hold on a sec there. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good. That'll suck up nice and tight with our clamps. So this is looking pretty good. We're now ready to go ahead and put this together. This is at least a two-person job to make it efficiently, go efficiently. I recommend that you guys, like I said, we just work in pairs. He does 2 legs one day, we do your 2 legs the next day, then we go ahead and we glue his 2 legs together, and then we do yours, and that way we're within a period of each other. So all right, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and take these apart. Lay that for me right there, please. Yep, hold that. And he's got that. And I'm just going to, nope, don't move him around town. Just leave him right there. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on these. Remember that we don't need a lot of glue on these, and we only want to put it
on the sides and bottom.
Right here, and a little bit right there. Take down this one. Obviously, even if we try our hardest, we're going to wind up having some glue that winds up coming out. All right, that one. Let's go nice and easy, nice and easy. Need a smidge down on this one. And if we wanted to at this point here, we could go ahead and put a clamp on it. But I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it like this for a second. Where's our other apron?
Right here?
Yes. And this is our outside, inside. Yep, you're good. I see it. And if you guys take a look over here, I'm using my knees to help hold this side over here together. Get this up. All right, so let's hold on for a sec. All right, I need those 2 pieces. And we're gonna do it the same way like we did the other one. Now on this here, you guys remember how I wanted the,
About center.
well, I wanted the, let's see here, it's all right, that's all right, it's all right, it's all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass me that mallet. So remember, we only have a little bit of time to work with this, but we're all right. I'm gonna take this. That looks nice. This one wants to come up a smidge. A little bit too much. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. Guys, please pay attention for me. We're going to come over here and do this one. All right, can I have that clamp, please? So you're going to hold that together a little bit for me.
Got it.
And we'll take this here. And we're just going to put a little bit of love to this one. All right, and then we're going to take this over here. Get that down flush. Get that down flush. Now, one thing, guys, I want to show you. Take a look at this here. Do you see how I want this screw for my clamp to be right in line with this? So I actually want to come in just a smidgen more. Tighten this up. This one over here is looking pretty fine. Tighten this up. Woo. Actually, we're doing a smidge with this one. Heard a little bit of a crack right there. A lot of times we don't need to go too tight. All right.
This side's out one.
Well, that's okay. I'm actually kind of liking the way it looks. Now listen, before we wipe the glue, we have to check one thing. If we take a note, look, his is sitting perfect on the floor right now, which is fantastic. We really like that.
Don't even need this.
Well, we're going to take a measurement here. I got 15 and 5/8 on this one. 15 and 7/16, so that means I want something right around 15 and 9/16 to fit in. And since we put it together dry, we already confirmed all this first. So I put this in. This measures 15 and a half strong. This measures so this one's 15 and a half strong. This one over here is 15 and 9/16. So we are within more than a 16th inch of square, which means that we're off by less than a 32nd each way. Everything looks good. At this point here, I'm going to recommend that we go ahead and we try to get the glue out as good as possible. I would like to let this thing set here just like this. The glue will be set in about 15-20 minutes. Good enough for us to move it around. He's got his name already on it. Was it a little bit challenging to put together, do you think?
No, not really. Well, yeah, but
It takes multiple people is the key word. Yeah, so many hands makes little work. Remember what we put it together dry. We checked the square prior to starting the video. That's why we cut this thing here. If you go into this with a plan, right, then